Hello, I am Flash Isaac, and you are welcome to the Flashlearners series, where we solve past and likely questions for your examination. And at the end of this series, your life will never remain the same because I shall be releasing a whole lot of episodes. In this series, I will be making use of the Flashlearners application. Simply visit Google Play Store or flashlearners.com to install the app. Are you watching on YouTube? I've shared the link to both the mobile and desktop app below. Download and let us begin. Look at this question. It says, write in Welsh 2001201. Write in Welsh. Anytime you are given a question like this, you simply start from the known to the unknown. What is known and what is unknown? We start from here. What is this? This is simply 1. What else? If you know here, this is 201, which means everything here is 201. Then you ask yourself, can you combine here? Yes. You should know that this is 1201. Why 1000? We have 3 values in front. 1, 2, 3. It means this is in thousand. So 1000 and 1. Then the next is 0, the next is 0, then this is 2. Now, what is the place value of 2 in this case? To know the place value of 2, ask yourself, how many values do we have in front of 2? How many numbers do we have in front of 2? Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 numbers in front of 2. 6 in front of a number simply means that number is in million. This is simply 2 million. Since this is 2 million, we already know what this is together. It is simply 2,001,201. 2,001,201. Option D is the correct option. Then the next question says, write the place value of 2 in 8.217. 8.217. The place value. Let me use this opportunity to explain place value. If I give you something like this, 2438.1210, or let me say 0.217. This is the decimal point. Now, looking at this decimal point, you see this way. This should be right? To a right. Here should be to your left. Now, moving to your left, the first number you encounter towards the whole number, this one is ones. Ones, or you can say units. After ones, the next number, the place value is tens. This is 38. Anytime you see 2 numbers together, the place value of the first one is tens, like counting this way to the other side. So 20, this is in tens. 33, this is in tens. 45, this is tens, this is unit. Then the next one is hundreds. Next is, like this is 2,438. This is thousand. Let's say you move further. Let's say we have 1, 3 here, 4 here. The place value of the next one will be, this is 12,438. So that is tens of thousand, 10,000. After that, the next one is hundreds of thousand or 100,000. Then the next one is million. Just like the place value of 2 here is million. Why million? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers in front. Here, why million? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers in front. How about you are moving towards this side? Here become tens. Not tens. This is TENS. This is tens. THS. So this way you have tens. After tens, you have hundreds. Not hundreds. Not D, THS. So as we move towards the other side, you begin to add TH. So this is tens, hundreds, this is thousands. So tens, hundreds, thousands, that is it for place value. That simply means the place value of this one is tenth, not tens. The tenth in option A, not the one in option B. How about here? It's the same. So after here, this is tens. So tens is the correct option. Welcome back and thank you for watching this episode on the series. Feel free to check out the other episodes. Subscribe so you don't miss out any video, and feel free to tell your friends about this. Thank you.